All right, looks like we're ready to get started. Well, first off, my name is Mike Healy. I'm one of the founders of Bidpoint, and I thank you so much for taking time out of your schedule to view this presentation. Now, this is going to be a quick overview. I got a handful of slides. I got about 30 or so slides that I'm going to go through very, very quickly. But I believe that after you've viewed these, you're going to see that there's a significant opportunity here for you to partner with us and become one of our capital funding agents, which is pretty amazing. So what I want to do is I'm going to switch over to PowerPoint real quick so you can view this. We can stay on track. So let me give you a good view here. So first off, that's me on the right. Obviously, we had an event here in Columbus not too long ago, and there's some of our agents getting some of our awards, our T-shirts, and stuff like that. But one of the things I wanted to show you, or most importantly, why I'm doing this presentation, is because this business overview that I'm about to show you with our new partnership with Bank Breezy, which is our funding portal. That's what the Bank Breezy stands for, is basically we introduce businesses to the opportunity of getting funding that they typically can't get their hands on. And we use a platform called Bank Breezy, which makes it very simple that we can get it taken care of. So from a why are you watching this standpoint, let's talk about this, because this is about you having the ability to potentially earn some money. So what if I could show you a way where you could be your own boss, make your own hours, start part-time. Most of the people that work with us in any capacity of Bidpoint do it part-time. In fact, we're 9 years old and everybody besides us are pretty much full-time or part-time. There's no investment required. This is real important. You know, a lot of opportunities out there to charge you to join, all that. We have none of that. No investment required. You're going to be in business for yourself, but now you're by yourself. We have lots of stuff that we can get to you to make sure you're up to speed. And what if there was immediate profit available? I think you're going to see this. You're going to love it. Okay. All you had to do is you refer businesses to our business loans and funding. All right. So businesses typically need more capital, but most of them haven't got the ability to get the kind of funding that we can offer. So you come into play by referring that, and I'm going to show you how the process works in a second. The other thing too is other businesses we have that we've been in, that have been staples, flagship products for us, have been commercial energy, commercial waste, commercial wireless. We do have those as well, and already are doing very well with that. Okay, so what if there was also no experience or any kind of licensing required, and we gave you training, which I'm going to go through. You get training for this, and even provide you with a free website that you can use that makes sure you get credit for your referrals. And we topped it all with a team of experts. This is important, that when you submit something, when a business submits something, there's an entire group of people that are there to support the clients, answer all their questions, and make sure that they connect properly so that they get the best offer available. Okay, so that's pretty much what Bidpoint has to offer. Now, let me talk to you about this: the potential for great profit for referring business owners to our business funding and service experts. That is where the big money is with what we're offering. Okay, so let me go back here. Sorry, I pushed the button too hard. Most businesses actually only 20% get approved by banks. That means there's 80% of business owners that need funding of some kind of operating capital. And ours is a revenue-based funding, not collateral-based. I'll try to remember to explain it in a little more detail as I go. But we offer something that can help those 80%. So we have the funding solution that makes sure, because it's revenue-based funding, meaning based on what they're bringing in as a business, because this is something that falls into the category of, like, let's say a restaurant maybe has owns a restaurant. They operate in a strip mall, but they don't own the restaurant itself, the physical building, because they're renting that space. Well, that's not capital that they could ever put against a loan. Most businesses or most business owners don't want to put their house up or anything like that. So we have a simple solution for revenue-based funding. I'm going to show you what those terms are. So how it works is our partnership with Bank Breezy makes it very simple for a business owner to go out there and get funding. We literally can do up to $2 million in funding, but let me just go through this. Same day as well. Okay, you can get up to 25 grand today. We have immediate approval, same or next day funding, depending on what time you put the proposal if you're a business in there. 100% online, which makes it simple, and there's discounts for early payoff, which is great. The other thing is you get an online immediate approval, and there's no hard credit inquiries. Okay. So again, you can receive those funds the next day, and we can get you pretty much easy, transparent terms and industry leading early pay discounts. And as you go, a lot of times, once we've had people, a lot of times, most businesses get some funding with us, they then repeat the process. Okay. And you do have somebody that's personalized that'll help you increase or decrease. And if somebody gets approved for a higher amount, but maybe doesn't need that large of amount, they can choose what they want to get. Okay. Now here's what's real important. We can help pretty much everybody that falls into these categories. We even released this recently where we can help people in the gig economy. That means people who are making looking for maybe $3,000, okay, as a loan that they can get going on, or some capital. Small business owners, obviously, okay, and then we have larger businesses where we can get up to $2 million in capital for them, again based on revenue. Okay, now what's real simple is this: is all you have to do is you send people to a website, and then you have the client submits the form. They go here, and then we have a happy customer. Now, where this comes into play and why you would want to be a part of what we're doing is we set you up as an agent. We give you an ID number that tracks it. You can use QR code to market this. We can set you up with business cards, postcards, mailers, PDFs, whatever you want to do to get the word out, to share this opportunity. And because of your ID number, we pay you for that referral, and we pay you handsomely. We start everybody out at basically 3% of the loan value, so you can kind of get that out there, and we can move that up as you do more and more business. So we really have a solution for the 20%. For the 80%. Okay, that's what's really nice. Now, how does this work? Is very simply is we have a simple system. It's easy to learn and get up to speed. There's really nothing besides giving somebody a link to your website or having them go through and do a QR code. We pretty much, everything's tool-based. We have videos, we have a resource center, and we can help you at any time with leadership. So all you have to do this, if this is something you want to jump on board with us with, is you're going to go set up your account by doing this. You're going to go to bidpoint.co/capital-agents. Again, bidpoint.co/capital-agents. Then you're going to go through the training. So that's going to ask you, there's a video on there from me that explains exactly how this works. And then you're going to set up your account. You're going to go through some very brief capital training, because again, this isn't really rocket science here. And then really what you do is we get you to the tools you need, and you just get the word out. Okay. So all that being said is I believe that we have something here that's completely unique that most people aren't aware of. I myself personally had a submission just today of somebody, a small business that's looking for $30,000 in capital funding, and they couldn't go to the bank and do it, and they wanted something more flexible, and wanted to get it done quick because they're kind of on a time crunch. And that's what's so amazing, is we can get these deals done very, very quickly, effectively, efficiently, very transparent. And it's nothing, there's no sales involved in this. We're not selling anybody on the idea that they need capital for their business. It just happens. But again, we're the solution that they're looking for. And that's what Bidpoint was created for, is business solutions. Business solutions, that's what we have with all of our services and so on. And you can always go to our main website and so on and check out all the details on all the other things we offer. So here's what I tell you. Click on the link wherever you find this video, whether it's you saw it on the live, whether it's on our Facebook page or YouTube channel, or just on our website. Click on the link. I will have it around there for where you can become an agent, which is the one I talked about a second ago. Or you can, maybe you're just a business that's seen this or watching this, and you need funding as quick as possible, or at least to get a proposal. And again, there's no cost to the proposal. Just click on that link, fill out that information, and they'll get it back to you very, very quickly. So thanks again for watching, and we look forward to working with you.